Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out a new foundation. So if you guys know my channel and know me, I love to try out new foundations. I think that new foundations are so fun to try because sometimes you want a very light coverage foundation, sometimes you want a very heavy coverage foundation, and I'm very intrigued to try this out and give it a full review. The foundation that we're going to be trying is the Relove Revolution Super Serum Hyaluronic Acid Foundation. Now this is the packaging that it comes in, and as you can see it's kind of got like a pipette dropper thing, which is really different to quite a lot of different foundations that I use anyway. So we've got a very red complexion. My skin is not loving me at the moment. I don't know what's going on, but it's just not. We have a lot of breakout, definitely since using a mask, wearing a mask. I have a lot of breakout here. I've also got quite a lot of breakout around my mouth. I seem to get very, very oily at the moment. It's like my skin just doesn't like me at the moment. So we're going to be testing out this new foundation. It's not new, but I know it's on the Revolution's website still. And it's very, very affordable. I will put the price on the screen for you guys right now. Now I got mine in the shade F2, which is pretty light. Oh my gosh, look at this redness. I look like, oh my god, goodness. So let's get some primer on. So I'm going to use this Pore Vanish. This is another Relove. It's like a second brand from the Revolution, and it's called Relove, and it's a very, very affordable brand. So again, this is drugstore. I do tend to do a lot of drugstore on this channel, but I like to do many different brands. So I'm just going to apply this primer. Hopefully we can reduce some of this redness. Maybe not. So what I think I'm going to do is go in with a different primer. I honestly don't know what's going on with my skin. It just seems to be wanting to be very kind of, I think it's my thyroid levels. My thyroid levels are playing up a little bit, and I just feel like my skin is just not a fan of me. So I'm going to use a different primer with you guys. I wasn't intending on using this, but I'm going to actually use this NYX Photo Loving Primer. This primer actually cancels out all redness, so let's try that, shall we? So I'm going to go and use this. This is more of a green. It's kind of, it's a silicone. It's very, very silicone-y, but it does really help with reducing redness, which is what we want. There's no harm in using two primers if you need to. I've really just been very light with my makeup at the moment, trying to use less makeup just to try and give my skin a bit of a break. But I do really want to try this foundation out with you guys. So we have a Fresh Beauty Blender, lovely and expanded. I love beauty blenders, just absolutely love them. I mean, no sponge can go this big. I just did this one. This is another good sponge that I have as well. This is a microfiber one. I think it's by Juno Co or something, but this is my favourite. So we are going to go in with a sponge. Now this foundation does not claim to be full coverage. This foundation, I believe, claims to be kind of a light to medium coverage, which I would personally agree on. This foundation is also cruelty free as well, which is amazing. So this is the packaging of the foundation, and it comes in kind of like a dropper, which actually I quite like. So I'm going to start by just applying it where we need it. Get a little bit more. It's a little messy, but it's okay. So let's go ahead and start applying this and see how it looks. So yeah, straight away you can see that it's very light to medium coverage. Let's see how it goes over this problem area here. Okay, so it's a really beautiful foundation. Like, it gives you a really nice kind of second skin look. So as you can see, my skin is extremely red right now, so I'm going to show you guys and see how well it goes with covering up this kind of redness. Let's see how it goes. So straight away, the first thing I can see is it is a really nice foundation. It does give you some sort of coverage, but when it comes to acne and problem areas, it's not giving me much. So I want to see if we can kind of build this up, but I'm just going to carry on and apply it all over my skin. Let's see. I would definitely say that it does work well in getting rid of the redness, but it's just not covering up my acne. I mean, I never say I've got acne because I never get it. My skin never does this to me, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's the weather. I know that my skin is just extremely oily and just struggling at the moment. I definitely think it is down to my thyroid, because I'm not pregnant or anything, which is another thing that I had when I was pregnant. My skin was kind of really good, actually. It was like just flawless. It was really good. So that's the only thing I can think of is my thyroid causing this, because I just don't know what's going on. But anyway, I like this. I feel like if I didn't have this kind of acne around my mouth, I would pretty much be happy to wear this. However, I'm confident enough to wear makeup this light coverage with spots, because people have spots. It's real life. It's hormones. It's just being a human, you know, like it happens. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this foundation. I think you get a really, really flawless look. But I would like to see how well we can just build it up a little bit, you know? Just let's see how well we can build some coverage up. Yes, it's definitely buildable, which is great. It's not getting cakey. It's not getting, like, you know, dry. It's definitely a kind of dewy kind of look, which I love. I've always been into kind of dewy foundations and the more hydrated look. However, since my skin has been so oily, I've actually been having to powder at the moment, which is not something I usually do. I never ever powder. So lately I have been. So you can see with the second layer we are starting to get a bit of coverage there, but because the acne, I've got more scar in there than I have got spots. They're not spots, it's actually acne scarring, and it's also more dry. You know when your skin just gets super, super dry? I don't know what's going on, but you can see there that we have got a little bit more coverage than normal. So I would definitely say this foundation is a good one. You can keep building it up. I like how it applies as well. I think it just looks really good. I have quite a lot of moles, so I've got like 1-2 moles here, so it does offer a good coverage, but it does give you that more skin kind of look. So if that's what you're interested in, and you're looking for a nice affordable, really affordable, I mean this was really, really cheap, I will put the price on the screen, but if you are looking for something really, really affordable and, you know, this kind of look, then I would definitely recommend it. I will link it down below for you guys. I will definitely link this foundation down below, because I've been using it for quite a few days now and I've really been enjoying it. It's kind of a staple in my makeup bag right now. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with the way this foundation looks. I feel like it looks lovely. If we didn't have this acne area, I feel like it would just absolutely flawless. So I'm going to go and pop a little bit of powder on, because like I said, I do have to set now with a little bit of powder. And I've got some more filming to do, and I will come back with you guys when I've done my full face of face makeup, and we will do a full review and a chat about what we think. Hello you guys, so we are back. This is the makeup that I'm going to be wearing today. So I've just applied some, I've used the Fire Queen Benefit palette, which I've actually just done a full review on, which I'll link down below. It's an amazing palette, just a fantastic cheap palette with bronzer, blusher and highlight. You get literally so much in there, so make sure you check out that review. So I've used that. I just applied some concealer. I used the L'Oreal More Than concealer. This is really, really good. and then I just done a little bit of highlight, which is one of my favourite highlights right now. That is the Jolie Beauty Saintly. And lipstick, I used the W7 Major Matte lipstick, which is actually really, really lovely. I love this kind of pink look, which I'm actually just about to film a full review on the swatches of them lipsticks, because they got them sent across to me and they are so good. They are just amazing. Anyway, back to the foundation. I feel like this foundation is lovely. It's good coverage. I definitely will be wearing it. I think it's a great staple to have in your makeup bag. It is super, super affordable, and overall I'm really, really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think down below. I'm not going to do a wear test on it because it's basically the evening. I've been out all day. We went away, well, not away, but we went to a museum today, and I did wear this foundation and I felt like it did last me throughout the day that I was there. But I have obviously took it off and redone it for you guys for the video purpose. So I have worn it for probably about 6 hours, and I would say it does look good. If you are interested in a wear test, let me know down below. But what I will do is I will leave a pinned comment down below of how the foundation wears, and how it performs throughout the day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are new here, please do subscribe. It would mean so much to me. I also have a vlogging channel which will be linked down below as well, and my Instagram is It's Melissa Jane. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.